Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. And how many attempts did it take for you to pass your driving test? Well, check this lady out here. A woman who spent £11,000 learning to drive passed her test after 960 attempts. Let's go click on the link. If you go to our site fmdrivingschool.co.uk, go to the miscellaneous section here, and you'll come to this page and just click on the link. Alright, let's read through it. So the woman who spent £11,000 learning to drive passed her test after 960 attempts. Here she is. Okay, what's her name? Cha Soon, picture from South Korea. Had to take a driving theory test hundreds of times and a practical test 10 times before finally, must be 960 times finally before getting her license. A woman who spent £11,000 So a woman who spent £11,000 getting a driving license finally succeeded on her 960th attempt. Has risen to prominence again almost 15 years after the story made international headlines. Cha Soon's story has been reshared on Reddit, where it has garnered attention due to her tenacity in chasing her driving license. Comment below how many times you guys taken your driving test and how much you guys have spent so far. She took her first attempt in the written test in April 2005, but unfortunately was not successful. However, the South Korean was not deterred and continued to retake it until she passed, sitting the exam every day, 5 days a week over 3 years. Okay, she then reduced this to just twice a week until she finally passed the written test on her 860th attempt. Raw, man. Okay, this is a theory test itself. Once she had that under her belt, she moved on to the practical test, which would also prove a challenge. Here she is again. Just as soon had to take a test 10 times, bringing the total number of driving examination up to 960 between the written and practical element. Alright, okay, so she took the whole thing together, 960 attempts. That's including the theory. So it's really the theory that she was struggling with. The cost of this was €12,500, which is about £11,000 according to reports. However, she didn't give up despite the expense, as she needed to be able to drive for her vegetable selling business. According to Cha Soon's driving instructor, when she finally passed, it was a huge burden off their back. The instructor at Jeonbuk Driving School said that when she finally got her license, we all went out cheering and hugged her, giving her flowers. It felt like a huge burden falling off our backs. We hadn't had the guts to tell her to quit because she kept showing up. Just goes to show, guys, just keep trying until finally you can pass. She was, oh, here we go. Oh, here's a good story. Make her a national celebrity. She was gifted a brand new vehicle worth $13,000 by a South Korean car manufacturer, Hyundai. That's a very good story at the end. Her story recently resurfaced on Reddit. So there you have it. Fairly old story apparently, but 960 attempt, 860 attempt must be from the theory. I think they got the numbers wrong. It must be 100 times. This must be 100 times to do her practical. So never give up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with FM Driving School.